Robotics is a great field to go into for a present-day student because the opportunities are just going to continue to grow.
What I like the most about robotics and electronics is the Jetsons way of life of push a button and something's done for you.
More and more companies, to save money, have to automate, or their jobs go overseas.
The way the courses are set up here are different than a lot of other colleges that I visited in the fact that they do a lot more hands-on.
People that are doing the job now, like myself, baby boomers are getting ready to retire.
The Alfred State College experience is a lot different than other colleges in the fact that you get a lot more hands-on and a little bit less lecture. And the lecture you do get corresponds with the hands-on that you will do in lab.
Students who succeed basically are self-starters, self-motivated students. Kids that like to tinker, like to take things apart, like to put things back together.
My experience with the professors was very positive. It was a lot of one-on-one. We're in a small class.
I have a problem, I'll ask him, he says, go research it. And that's what he leaves me with. And then I research it, and I get frustrated, and I figure it out, and then once I do figure it out, it makes me feel a lot better about myself that I now know what I did wrong. And it makes it so I know it from then on.
We're training students to go into the workforce in any application of automation, and they may be starting off at ground level, they may go into middle management. They need to know a lot. So we tailored our programs to be like an industry.
The teacher acts more like it's a job than an actual class, and you're more of a person than just a number.
Daily we come in, we have our morning meetings like they do in a lot of places in industry, which is our lecture, and then they go right to work, and they work all day.
We do 2 senior projects here at Alfred. We do the 3rd semester, we do the pick and place. We have 5 weeks from start to finish. It's fully documented.
Our idea evolved on our project through experimentation and failing, which we did a lot of. We would build something and we found out it didn't work, so we'd have to simplify it. Other things we would build and we found out we needed to make it more complex so that it would work more efficiently. The process that we have chosen is kind of a holiday gift pack. We will be placing candy canes, candy bars, and an individual packet of hot cocoa into a container, and then it will be topped, and then it will go to a shipping area.
Companies ask me, can he work alone or do I have to babysit him? Can he work well with others? Or is it going to be a problem? So we do all that and more.
Biggest lesson I learned at Alfred State was communication and working with a team.
We really hit heavy on documentation. I've had employers come in and said, I wish my engineers could do this good. And that's a great compliment to my students.
When you go out looking for jobs, you can present that documentation, and I think that really kind of gives you a boost. It shows that you've worked with a team, you have good communication skills, you have a fully documented project that you've started from your own ideas, you've debugged it, it's kind of your own prototype. That's what makes Alfred State stand out.
Employers come and they want our workers because they can't find enough. Corning alone one year wanted 2 kids more than I had in class. They liked them because of their work ethic, because of the knowledge they've gained. They're ready to go. They don't have as big a learning curve as maybe somebody from a theoretical course that's similar. They're ready to go.
Day 1, I was ready to go.
I'm very glad I came to Alfred State.
I will hit the ground running.